So guys, today I'll be showing you how to install the fastest launcher, that's the Poco launcher released by Xiaomi for their Poco F1. So guys, there is a link given in below which will redirect you to APK mirrors where you can download Poco launcher. So let's go. So let's download it. Oh, it's downloading. I've already downloaded it, so I will cancel it. Let's install it. So guys, installing is done, and now let's search our settings. There it is. App management, default app management, home screen. So in the Chinese vendor, we have to do like this, but stock Android is easy, so you can do it yourself. Poco launcher, change home screen. Start. Okay. Allow. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to this video. Allow. And there it is. The launcher is looking good. Feels good. It's fast. Let's open a quick app. It's quick. There is no delay. So let's open camera. There is a little delay in camera, but that's okay, that's related to my phone. So there it is. The launcher is good. I would recommend to you guys. It is a new launcher by Xiaomi. It is good. There are different categories for apps for everything. We can change icon packs and download icon packs by Play Store. So by the way guys, this is Oppo F7 on which I am doing this. So bye.
Turning this on, going thing.